जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है, मौका उसका जिसने छीना। गिरना उठना उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना। याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना। जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। धड़कने यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें। कोई तो वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने। यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें। ललकार की घड़ी है ये।
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rano Sarkar. I study in class 2C. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of class 2C and 2D on the topic Slow and Steady Wins the Race. The proverb says that it is important to want things that have some goals and aspirations, but it's talent and achieve success through persistent efforts. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Krishna. We are studying in class 2. The thought of the day is big dreams, steady goals, last to succeed, the slowest one on the race again. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Pratisha Yadav. I study in class 2C in Krishna Public School, NEHRU, BHILAI. Today's news headlines. Dussehra is celebrated today all over India. President Mr. Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi greet nation on this festival. Over 30 nations, including UK, now recognize India's COVID-19 certificates. On Vijayadashmi, Prime Minister will inaugurate 7 new defence firms for India. India reopens to foreign tourists on chartered flights from today. Corona update. There were 19,180 new corona cases come in last 24 hours. Vaccination update. Almost 97 crore people have got either first or both doses of vaccine. Chennai will take on Kolkata in final match of IPL today. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is S. Arush and I study in class 2D at Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. Today I am going to deliver a speech about slow and steady wins the race. Success comes to those who are slow but steady in their work. It is not necessary to be very clever in order to succeed in life. The truth of the proverb is illustrated by the story of the hare and the tortoise. The tortoise had won the race because it had moved slowly and steadily. Slow and steady win the race. The proverb said that it's important to want things that have some goals and aspiration. In other words, those people will do his work on skill and overcome the barrier and difficulties and make two in content efforts in the right decision. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Azim Mohammed from class 2C. Today I will recite a poem, Slow and Steady Wins the Race. Slow and steady wins the race, notwithstanding the pace. Progress is forward movement, a twin sibling of advancement. Slow and steady wins the race, not minding what we face. Take gradual development and steady improvement. Slow and steady wins the race, it does it with great grace. Winning without manipulation, consistently good intention. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सक्षम कुमार है। मैं कक्षा 2D में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। अर्जुन से लक्ष्य रथ निशाना लगा, रुस्तल से भी फिर जल निकलेगा। मेहनत कर पौधों को पानी दे, बंजर से भी फिर फल निकलेगा। ताकत जुटा हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद का भी बल निकलेगा। सीने में उम्मीदों को जिंदा रख, समुंदर से भी गंगा जल निकलेगा। कोशिश जारी रख, कुछ कर गुजारने की, जो कुछ थमा है चल निकलेगा। कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। धन्यवाद।